Okay, real talk. Have you ever smelled someone and thought, whoa, what crawled up their sock? Meet Stan. Stan loved dirt, candy, and adventure, but guess what he hated? Soap, toothbrushes, anything clean. Pretty soon, even his goldfish avoided him. Stan realized something had to change. This brings us to our topic today, personal hygiene. So what's personal hygiene? Personal hygiene means keeping your body clean and healthy. It's brushing, washing, scrubbing, and changing clothes. Basically, telling germs, stay off. Meet bacteria. Some are good, some are super bad. The bad ones cause sniffles, coughs, tummy aches, and funky smells. And they love dirty hands. Here's what bad hygiene looks like. Dirty hands. Smelly clothes, sticky teeth with cavities, ouch, itchy skin, and not many friends. Now check out good hygiene. Clean hands, fresh clothes, sparkly smiles, healthy skin, and lots of high fives from your buddies. Stan decided it was time to turn things around. Here's what he started doing, and you can too. 1. Brushing his teeth every morning and night. 2. Washing his hands after playing, using the bathroom, and before eating. 3. Taking a bath or shower every day, not just when he looked like a swamp monster. 4. Wearing clean clothes and fresh socks. 5. Trimming his nails. 6. Covering his mouth when he sneezed. And finally, combing his hair. And just like that, Stinky Stan became Super Stan. Fresh, friendly, and feeling awesome. Good hygiene helps you stay healthy, feel confident, and smell like a fresh breeze. Remember, taking care of yourself is super important. So which hygiene habit is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome adventures. Stay fresh, stay clean, and see you next time.